Hi guys, welcome back to Celeb Gossip Entertainment, where we bring you the tea each and every day. Now guys, Ulebu Keswa is still on a mission to ruin Uletoya Makene. Alright, like she is on a mission to ruin her career or to ruin her image. I really don't know at this point. And this thing is just getting so boring right now, guys. Like, it is so boring. It's just dragging Jay for no reason, because their relationship is over. She should just move on with her life, and also Uletoya Makene naye must just move on with her life, and that's it. No need to be going to different podcasts now. You keep bashing her because now she recently had another interview, guysini. She was bashing Uletoya Makene again, so this thing is just getting so boring right now. She is starting to seem like a bitter ex at this point. She is sounding like a bitter ex, out to ruin somebody else's life, because the relationship is over. Yes, she did what she did, but the relationship is over, guys. I just feel like this thing, hey,
she has done nothing in life but fuck up. Letoya fucks up. Letoya is fucked up.
It's just dragging now for no reason, And guys, you can see by the way she speaks about it, Uti Ukiel is just so mad. She has a lot of anger, guningi, So at this point, I just feel like Uletoya Makene should just ignore this whole thing, because it's going to be a back and forth. Now she is going to be doing interviews and bashing her, and now also doing another interview also to correct what she said, and also another person doing. It's just dragging for no reason. The relationship is over. They should just move on with their lives. Like, I really don't know, guys. And do you still remember, guys, the video that I did about celebrity breakups? Celebrity breakups are just so nasty, And Ulebu Keswa is claiming that when she dated Uletoya Makene, she didn't even know that Uletoya Makene was a celebrity to even begin with. And I'm like, who doesn't know Uletoya Makene, guys? Who doesn't know Uletoya Makene? She's like, no, I didn't even know that she is a celebrity. Hey, wara. I was not dating her because she is a celebrity. Guningi. But at this point, this thing should just stop. Hey, Kwana, because we are really tired of this thing, hey?